Hi friend, this is Amit. Here is a very important information regarding JEE Advanced 2026. As you also know, on 17th May you have to appear for the exam. So here is the expected marks versus rank based on 360 marks. From last 3-4 years they are taking the exam of 360 marks. So according to that I am providing you the information, that is expected marks versus your category wise rank: general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. For PWD I have already uploaded separate video. You can check in the PWD playlist. So here is, if you are crossing 300 plus mark, then in general you will get under 50 rank, that is CRL rank. EWS rank will be 5 or less than that. OBC under 10. SC you will get topper of India once you get 300. For ST also same. 280 under 100 for general. EWS under 10. OBC under 35, and SC again you will be a topper once you score these marks. ST also topper. 260 plus 230 rank or less than that will be for general. EWS 20, OBC 60, and for 240 plus marks, 400 for general, EWS 40, OBC 90, SC under third rank you will get. And 220 plus marks, your rank will be under 730 for general, and for OBC 60, and for EWS 60, OBC 120, and SC 5. For 210 plus marks, your rank will be 950 or under that, that is for general student. And for EWS 80, OBC 160, SC 10, and ST under 5. For 200 plus 1250 or less rank you will get. This is based on the last year difficulty level. If this year paper difficulty will be a little bit easy, then a little bit more marks is required to get same rank. If the difficulty will be more, then at lesser marks also you can get better result. But it is based on the last year and current year trend as they are following this year. So for 200, as I told, 100 for EWS, 200 for OBC, 15 for SC. 190 plus marks you are getting, then your general rank will be 1.6 thousand. EWS 150, and for OBC 300, SC 20, ST under 5 you will get. For 180 plus 2000, 200, 440, and 10, that is for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. For 170 plus 2.7 thousand, 250, 500, 60, and 15, that is for again all the category respectively. 160 plus 3.4 thousand, 350, 640, 80, and 20, that is for all categories respectively. Here I would like to inform you, as you're getting my number on the screen, that is for paid guidance. Once you register, I will guide you to get the best IIT out of your rank. If you are not qualifying the JEE Advanced, then for an IT also I can guide you, and for all private college across India also I'm guiding from last 7 years. Sideways you can check all the detail. Whenever you want, you can contact me. Once contact, then you pay. You don't pay first on my website like others, because many people will take your money on website and they will not respond to you, and many people will take less money but they will provide you just one PDF, that is choice filling. That is not meaning of counseling meaning one-to-one talks would be there. What is your future interest, what is your goal, what is your parents economic condition, everything need to be discussed. Then you should select the best option, because you have multiple option across India to get admission, but you will be taking in anyone that should be the best, that is best branch and best college both. So hope you get my point clearly. Kindly subscribe the channel. And next 160, 3.4 thousand, 350, 640, 80, and 20. 150 plus marks, 4.4 thousand, 450, 850, 100, and 30, that is for general, EWS, OBC, general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. Then for 140, 6,600, 1150, 130, and 40 for all category. 130, 7.5 thousand, 900, 1.6 thousand, 180, and 60. Now for 120 plus marks, 10,000, 1.2 thousand, 2.2 thousand, 250, 80. For 110 plus marks, 13,000, 1.7 thousand, 3.1 thousand, 350, 100. For 100 plus marks, 17,000, 2.3 thousand, 4.3, 500, and 150. 90 plus marks if you are targeting, means for general there is very little chance. If you are female, then you can get the seat, because you will be getting rank like a 21, 22,000. But if you are male, then there is no chance. I think any lower branch you may get. And for EWS 3.1 thousand, and for OBC 6,000, SC 700, ST 200, 80, OBC 8,000, and EWS will be around 4.5 thousand, and you will have some chance to get lower IIT. And for SC 1000, ST 300. For 70, 1.5 thousand, and 450 for SC, ST. 60, 2.4 thousand, and 750 for SC/ST. For 50, 3.5 thousand, 1.1 thousand, it is SC/ST again. So this was about the marks versus rank. Now we will talk about the marks for rank list, that is cutoff minimum to eligible for the rank list of JEE Advanced. General 7 to 8 marks minimum you need to have subject wise after combining both the paper 1, paper 2, and total 75 to 80 marks you have to score after combining all three subjects, both paper 1, paper 2. OBC 6 to 7 marks, 67 to 72. This will be the ideal cutoff for this year. EWS 6 to 7 again, and again 67 to 72 total marks. SC subject wise 3 to 4, and ST also 3 to 4, and total 38 to 40, 38 to 40. So this was the complete information regarding marks versus expected category wise rank and cutoff also for JEE Advanced 2026. Please subscribe the channel so that you will get the category wise information about the cutoff in IIT top 7, top 14, top 23, that is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, all branches I will discuss in my next video. So please try to subscribe the channel. Thank you.